don't have any excuses, so don't y'all be upset with me.
Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be basically a twist and curl tutorial that I'm gonna be using some new products that I received from Bask and Bloom Essentials. Okay, I'm actually just gonna be using the leave-in conditioner and the mango castor twisting cream. So these are the two products that I will be using. So I'm just gonna twist my hair in sections and put a roller on it, a curler on it, and we're gonna see how it looks in a little while. Okay, so let's just get started. Thank you guys for returning back to my channel. I'm gonna try to do better with doing YouTube videos. My IG videos be on point though, so I mean, if y'all ain't following me on Instagram, like, go follow me on Instagram. So let's just get right to it.
Okay, so I'm starting off with stretched blow-dried hair. I actually washed my hair probably the day before, and this is just stretched and blow-dried. So first I'm going to be using the Bask and Bloom Ease Leave-In Conditioner. This conditioner was very, very smooth through my hair, and it smells good, and it was just amazing at, I guess, detangling also. And then next we're going to use the mango castor twisting cream to do my twist and curl. So I'm just going to apply a little amount on each section, and look how long my hair is. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to start twisting my hair, and then we're going to add a perm rod at the end. Okay, so we're just going to continue doing this all over my head. I'm going to apply the Ease Leave-In Conditioner first, and then the Mango Twisting Cream second. Then I will twist the section halfway down and apply a perm rod at the end. So I did let these sit overnight and dry so that I can take them out in the morning. So what I did was actually put oil on my hands before I started to unravel each twist. That way it can give my hair some shine. So this is the oil that I used. It's the Stimulating Herbal Oil by Bask and Bloom also. So now I'm just going in and picking out my hair, separating curls, you know, that I feel are too clumpy and thick together. And, you know, just fixing it to my liking, you guys. Like, I really love this style. This was my first time ever achieving a perfect twist and curl. Alright, so here are the results, y'all. I love it. Like, I literally fluffed it out some more because I'm kind of getting used to the big hair now. But I like the fluffy. I don't like it to be too look like it's new. But yeah, I like it like this. So yeah, girl, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. Hey. Hey. Okay. So yeah, so honestly, this Bask and Bloom Essentials, these products are amazing. One, they smell great. They're not too overpowering of a smell, but they smell wonderful. So yeah, I love these products. Like, my hair is, as you guys can see, it has a lot of body. It's not hard. It didn't, you know, it gave me definition, but of course I picked it out. So I honestly love it. From the Ease Leave-In Conditioner to the Mango Twisting Cream to the Stimulating Herbal Oil, y'all go get this line. I haven't even tried the mask and the shampoo bar yet, and I'm looking forward to trying that, and that's going to be really soon, and I'll do a whole entire review of the line as a whole. But just these three products are amazing. So the shampoo bar and the mask, I know they're gonna like flip my mind. But yeah, so I'm so excited. I hope y'all like it because I love it. It's very, very, very me. I love it. I love this style. Like, I love it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And remember to tell all of your family and friends that Jazzy Loves is on YouTube. Bye, guys.